My dear friends, welcome to Rajasekhar classes on formal languages and automata theory. This is lecture number 58. In this lecture, we will try to understand ambiguity in context-free grammar. A context-free grammar is said to be ambiguous if some word has two leftmost derivations or two rightmost derivations. We will try to understand this definition with simple example. Just consider this particular grammar. What it says, S goes to SBS or S goes to A. Leftmost derivation 1. What is my leftmost derivation 1? S goes to SBS. Yes, we have this production. Just I am copying that production. S goes to SBS. As it is leftmost derivation, I must always try to replace from left hand side. In the place of S, either I can write SBS or I can write A. Let me assume I am writing A. Therefore, in the place of S, I am writing A. This BS as it is, isn't it? Now, small a as it is I am copying, small b as it is. Why? Because these two letters are terminals which cannot have productions. Now, in the place of this capital S, I can write either SBS or I can write A. Now, let me assume I am writing in the place of SBS I am writing. Isn't it? Yes. As it is leftmost derivation, it is terminal. Just copy it as it is. B terminal, copy it. Whereas in the place of S, I have two possibilities. Either I can write A or I can write SBS. Let me assume I am writing A. In the place of S, I am writing A. This BS I am copying as it is. Now, in the place of S, what is this? In the place of S, I am writing A. Therefore, this is the string or terminals. In the place of S, either I can write A or I can write SBS. Let me assume I am writing A in the place of S. Therefore, this is the resultant string. What is the string? AB, ABA. This is a string generated by this particular grammar by using leftmost derivation. Now, we will try to derive one more leftmost derivation. Just see, S goes to SBS. Just I am copying first production as it is. S goes to SBS. As it is leftmost derivation, I must always try to replace in the place of this capital S. But how many possibilities are there? In the place of S, either I can write SBS or I can write A. But whereas in previous derivation, in the place of S, we have written A. Whereas in here, let me write SBS in the place of S. In the place of S, I am writing SB. Yes, just a minute. Yes, in the place of S, I am writing SBS. Whereas in first derivation, I am writing S goes to A. Isn't it? This one is also leftmost derivation. This one is also leftmost derivation. Yes, again in the place of BS, just I am copying BS as it is. Now what happens? Now in the place of S, I can write either SBS or A. I am writing small a as it is BS. Just remaining thing, just I am copying. Now, now in the place of A, I am writing A. In the place of B, I am writing B. In the place of S, I can write this AB, and in the place of S, I can write I am copying AB, isn't it? S goes to there is a production. S goes to A. Just see, in the place of S, I can write A. Just BS I am copying as it is. Isn't it? Now what happens? Just I am copying AB. In the place of S, there is a production which says S goes to A. If you observe these two productions carefully, here I am getting string AB, ABA. Here also I am getting AB, ABA. This same word, isn't it? Same word has two different leftmost derivations, isn't it? This is leftmost derivation 1, this is leftmost derivation 2. A particular word has two different leftmost derivations or two rightmost derivations, then I can say that grammar is ambiguous grammar. Therefore, this particular grammar is ambiguous grammar. Consider one more simple example. S goes to, there is a grammar, this is given grammar. In the place of S, I can write AS. I have production, just I am writing S goes to AS. Even in the place of S, I can write AS. Just in the place of S, I am writing AS. In the place of S, even I can write A. What does it mean? This is one parse tree or one derivation tree. What string it derives? It derives a string known as A. What about this in the place of S? Here in first parse tree we are replacing AS, whereas in second parse tree, means here in the place of S I am replacing SA. Previously we were replacing SA. Even in the place of S I can write SA. I am writing SA. In the place S goes to A, in the place of S I can write A. Therefore what will I get? This is the string. What is that string? A. Here also I am getting A. This is one parse tree, this is another parse tree. These two parse trees generating same string, isn't it? Therefore, I can say this particular grammar is ambiguous grammar, isn't it? Yes. In similar manner, one can understand this example 3. It is simple and straightforward. What it says. Here also same story. S goes to 0 S1. Just see, S goes to 0 S1. Again S goes to 0 S1. In the place of S, even I can write epsilon. Therefore, what is our resultant string? 0 epsilon. As it null string, I need not bother about it. 0 1. What about this? S goes to SS. Just I am writing SS. Previously we were writing 0 S1. Here I am writing SS. In the place of S, I can write epsilon. S goes to 0 S1. Again S goes to 0 S1. S goes to epsilon. I am writing S goes to epsilon. Therefore, what is resultant string? 0 1, isn't it? 0 1 I am getting. Means I am getting same string with two different parse trees or derivation trees. Therefore, this particular grammar is ambiguous grammar. In similar manner, you can understand example 4. Even example 5 is also same story. What it's a given grammar. Just imitate previous procedure. E goes to E plus E. I am doing leftmost derivation. Leftmost derivation means what? I must replace from left hand side. In the place of capital E, I can write A. In the place of capital E, I can write A. Even in the place of capital E, I can write E star A. Again, in the place of capital E, I can write A. In the place of E, I can write B. Therefore, this is one leftmost derivation. What it derives? A plus A star B. There's another leftmost derivation here. In the place of E, we were writing E plus E. Now you are writing E star E. Again you are deriving. This is one leftmost derivation. This is another leftmost derivation. Two leftmost derivations are giving same string A plus A star B. Therefore, this particular grammar is ambiguous grammar. In similar manner, you can also understand this particular example. For the benefit of the students, I am giving more example. Just try to understand on your own. These examples are so simple, so straightforward. Thank you very much.